God. Hello and welcome. My name is Kat Kinway and this is my art channel called Artsy-fartsy-magic. Thank you for clicking on this video. Thank you for being here with me today. I already sketched and did the line work for a digital art piece I was working on, but I haven't colored it yet, so I figured I could just record that and that would be our video this week. Before we get into the doodling, I want to first of all pat myself on the shoulder because I'm not really sure if I'm gonna get more traction or not. It's okay if I don't, but I'm just proud of myself anyways, because I did gain over 2,000 followers on TikTok this week, in 2 days actually, with 2 videos. I'm pretty proud of myself, okay? I didn't think it would happen. TikTok, I swear to God, I was one of those people. I was one of those people that was like, that is a kid app. It's a kid app, like, adults shouldn't even be on there. And then when I started making them, I was like, oh my gosh, like, I'm 25 years old. I mean, I'm on TikTok every night with my husband. Like, we share TikToks to each other and we giggle about them before we go to bed for solid hours. So if we did that, I bet you a lot of other people do. And apparently they watch art videos. Enough of that talking, chatting, all that stuff. Let's go doodle. Let's doodle the dudes. Actually, it's a female. Well, that was not smooth. So this is what my desk looks like right now. I set my camera on that bubble wrap thing. Such a ghetto rig, but it is what it is. Set my little wine right there. And I'm gonna clean this up a little bit before we get started. Speaking of TikToks, I need to post this one. Okay. Alexa, play some. this song? Well, guess what? It was. Now, Alexa, play.
You are clearly an AP two-tone.
Yeah, they tryna at me, I'm running the race. I gotta pick up the pace. They throwing shade, but I'm gone. You gotta keep it a buck to my face. Taking that gang out of space. Especially if you stay in your place. They hating on all of my songs. Yeah, I don't know what can I say. They throwing shots, but I'm saved by His grace. God is the shoot, I'm the lace. Running around, got me stoned, man. Feels like I'm stuck in the maze. Shoot at the Oculus cage. They sippin' only 96. I can't do it on my own, yeah. They judging me off my mistakes. This flow is so heavenly. Most of my friends and frenemies. They tryna bring out the beast. I'm batting 1,000, my game is elite. I'm running around in the streets. They tryna catch up, but they still can't compete. I thought they got in my sleep. He told me keep going, cause you got the lead. Count it up, all the brodies came through, then we added up. They was asking me questions, I had it up. I've been running with God, I just leveled up. They won't speak to my face, got that antidote. They been pointing me on like I'm one of those. I can see why they hate, that just ain't me. Tell me a place that I can't go. I don't think they get it, they don't understand. I'ma do it for my homies and my fans. They don't see the vision, they just see the band. Eyes on the money like a rubber band. That is number one, I follow his command. You can try it, you won't get a chance. I'ma keep on going till I can, and abiding by his plan. They tryna at me, I'm running the race. I gotta pick up the pace. They throwing shade, but I'm gone. You gotta keep it a buck to my face. Taking that gang out of space. Especially if you stay in your place. They hating on all of my songs. Yeah, I don't know what can I say. They throwing shots, but I'm saved by His grace. God is the shoot, I'm the lace. Running around, got me stoned, man. Feels like I'm stuck in the maze. Shoot at the Oculus cage. They sippin' only 96. I can't do it on my own. Yeah, they judging me off my mistakes.
Silver step into the play, you bet I'ma hit it. What I'm doing in this game, I did in a scrimmage. Rappers wanting all this beef and burning up bridges. Deep down they dinner with pain, they just wanna admit it. Won't stop till I get it, speed it up when I'm winning. It's silver and undefined, period, no sentence. They tryna give me the feeling, I'ma say Jesus and risk it. Treasure in heaven, generation with them, I pass the baton on my jits. Had to make sacrifices for this. I can fake, had to cut off some friends. Vision laid ever since the beginning. Go get the bad, then bring it in. Every L was a lesson you did. At the nest, had to handle the biz. I bought a whatchamacallit, and it's chilling right over the fridge.
They tryna at me, I'm running the race. I gotta pick up the pace. They throwing shade, but I'm gone. You gotta keep it a buck to my face. Taking that gang out of space. Especially if you stay in your place. They hating on all of my songs. Yeah, I don't know what can I say. They throwing shots, but I'm saved by His grace. God is the shoot, I'm the lace. Running around, got me stoned, man. Feels like I'm stuck in the maze. Shoot at the Oculus cage. They sippin' only 96. I can't do it on my own. Yeah, they judging me off my mistakes.
You know what time it is? Beat change. Alexa, stop. Okay, that's the end of my doodle for this week. Thank you for hanging out with me. Thank you for chilling. Didn't finish it, but that's all right. I will later. We're done doing stuff tonight. All right, so thank you for hanging out with me, and I'll see you next hump day. Peace, love, and magic.
I love you like la 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 la.